binitawan. Ibig sabihin, we just give the district the opportunity or for us to have a better in the conduct of investigation, Your Honor, mapabuti kasi ang effort nun marami ng unit
Kasi
hindi
sa
lang
tingin
yung station. So mas mapapabuti po natin na masolve po yung problema, Your Honor, yung crime na nangyari.
Normal po ba na, do you usually do this, Colonel, na yung may mga high-profile cases like this one, binibigay agad sa CIDG or sa SITG?
Yes, Your Honor, there is a, in the PNP operational manual, there is a creation of SITG. Every time incidents involving, may mga high crimes, Your Honor, assassination,
kasi,
or terrorism,
sa tingin ko po, parang,
or whatever.
this is very concerning because parang pinapasa mo yung trabaho nyo na dapat ikaw yung gumawa, especially this investigation into the murder of Barayuga. I think that's irregular, Colonel Grijaldo. And gaya ng sinabi mo kanina, yung mga local police yung nasa pinakamagandang position to investigate crimes such as this because they are the ones with the most familiarity with the area. And now you're saying that it is normal procedure for you to just pass it on to the SITG. I find this really concerning, and baka may personal na interest ka kung bakit ma-terminate agad yung investigation regarding sa pagpaslang kay Barayuga. Ayon sa PNP National Police, sa Philippine National Police Internal Affairs Service, may ongoing investigation ba regarding this sa pagpatay kay Barayuga? IAS?
Your Honor, we've been charged before the Internal Affairs Unit. And
so you were charged,
yes, Your
by
Honor,
the IAS?
Yes, Your Honor. We have a administrative complaint for us, Your Honor. I have here with me the charge sheet. Administrative complaint against Police Colonel Grijaldo for neglect of duty, irregularity in the performance of duty, misconduct, incompetence, conduct unbecoming of police officers. We already submitted our counter affidavit on this